Applying the IPSAS standards often requires professional judgment, and it's not uncommon for questions to come about how they should be interpreted in particular situations. The IPSASB application group is here to help. Established by the IPSASB in 2025 to help maintain its robust suite of standards, the application group supports consistent application of the standards by reviewing issues from stakeholders. The application group's process may lead it to make recommendations to the IPSASB to clarify or develop additional guidance. If the IPSAS standards can be interpreted in more than one way and it's not clear which one applies to your situation, the application group is here to help. Not every issue is considered by the group. In determining which of these issues the group will review, we use the following selection criteria. Is the situation specific to the public sector? Does it have widespread or material impact? Could it require changes to the existing standards? And is it narrow enough to be addressed by the scope of the application group? If you think your issue meets the selection criteria, here's how to submit it through our online form. Start by visiting the IPSASB website and clicking on Submit a Technical or Application Issue on the right-hand side of the homepage. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page for the submission form. You'll be asked to provide your contact information along with the following key details about the issue: description of the issue, specific questions you want the group to consider, the current or emerging practice on the issue, and why the issue needs to be addressed by the group. Here's where you can explain how your issue meets the selection criteria earlier mentioned. These details are essential for IPSASB staff to perform a thorough technical analysis, so be sure to fill out all of the required sections on the form. So what happens after you submit an issue? The IPSASB staff will review the details, consider the relevant principles from IPSAS standards that are applicable to your case, then prepare a recommendation to the application group. From there, the application group will review the analysis, provide feedback, and makes a recommendation to the IPSASB. After the analysis, the applications group recommendation will be presented to the IPSASB at their quarterly meeting. If you would like to follow along, the board papers are posted on the IPSASB website, and full meeting videos are also available on our YouTube. In the quarterly meeting, the IPSASB reviews the group's recommendations and decides whether further standard setting activities are needed. This could include changes to existing guidance, the development of additional application guidance, implementation guidance, or educational materials. You will be informed directly of the IPSASB's decision, and it will also be posted anonymously on the IPSASB website. If the issue could result in a proposed change to the IPSAS standards, the IPSASB will need to apply its due process to the development and exposure of any new guidance to the public. To learn more about the IPSASB application group or to submit your question, visit ipsasb.org.